Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Janad Graphics. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of design and exploring the fundamental elements that make it all come to life. These elements include line, shape, color, texture, space, typography. These elements are like the ABCs of design. Whether you're a graphic designer, interior decorator, or just someone with a passion for aesthetics, understanding these principles is essential for creating visually stunning and effective designs. First up, we have line. Lines can be straight, curved, or even a little squiggly. They define shapes, create patterns, and guide your eye throughout a design. Think of them as the structure that holds everything together. Next, shape. Shapes are the building blocks of design, from the geometric forms of squares, circles, and triangles to the organic, free-flowing shapes. They help us create structure and give visual appeal to our designs. Now, let's talk color. Color is a powerful tool. It can evoke emotions, set moods, and convey messages. We'll explore color theory, harmonies, and how to choose the perfect palette for your project. Texture is our fourth element. It adds depth and tactile qualities to designs. We'll discuss how to use both physical and visual textures to make your creations pop. Space, our fifth element, is all about how you arrange objects and utilize empty areas in your design. The right spacing and alignment can make or break a composition. Typography is our sixth and final element. It's all about the art of choosing fonts, sizes, and layouts to communicate effectively and enhance your design's message. So, there you have it. Line, shape, color, texture, space, and typography. These elements are the foundation of every great design. Whether you're designing a website, a poster, or even decorating your living room, mastering these principles will take your creativity to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting design tips and tutorials right here on Janad Graphics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an episode. Thanks for joining us, and remember, design is all about creativity and expression.